It started as a hobby that I picked up in the pandemic. Searched online how to smoke a brisket because I had no idea how to smoke anything. And 4 years later, we are here today in my restaurant. So my name is Winnie Yee. I am the founder of Smoke Queen Barbecue. What I feel makes Smoke Queen really special is us incorporating the East and the West. What's gonna happen if I take 5-spice powder, if I take Shaoxing wine, if I rubbed it with a little bit of hoisin sauce or a little bit of Lee Kum Kee oyster sauce, you know? The great thing about Lee Kum Kee is they're so open to the East meets West kind of concept. I've been working with Lee Kum Kee to come up with this limited time offer in the month of December here in my restaurant in Garden Grove. It's sticky pork ribs with cranberry and chili crisp sauce. It's a very pleasant surprise because you would think cranberry sauce is like holiday American, but then we take it back to the Eastern world and we add chili crisp. That's what I set out to achieve, a product that is both East and West, a product that's both Asian and American, a product that's just meat.